Hello dear viewer and welcome to Lunar Nebula Art as a channel. I am Brian, aka Jhonatan, and I figured today might be a good day to do a May the 4th be with you kind of thing. So, as you saw there, I had a preset selected. This is for a 1080p thumbnail basically. And then we're going to add some stuff to it. I'm going to go to my assets panel. From my assets panel, I will find my little avatar. This should be it. We're going to resize it. Whoop. Except it looks like this version of it doesn't have the rescaling of the stroke, and we want that to scale with the object. That way everything should look better. Okay, so we've got this little guy. Now we want something like May the 4th be with you, up at the top or the bottom, or both. And we want that to be in a Star Wars font. So I figured this would be a good video to go over how to get a font. On the iPad, the best app I've found is this one, or at least it's the one I'm currently using, and I believe it is called iFont. And we can go to a font finder. I've already gone to dafont.com and search for Star Wars, but you click over here, you can search up here, and then not all these are free for use. So you want to make sure to check. So Star Jedi is a font that is 100% free. My guess is that includes for business use. So we'll click download. Then we can import it to iFont. These are all the files. Yoink. Then we'll go to the installer. We will go down and find Star Jedi. We will install this one. We will allow it. And then we have to go to our settings app for each of these and get it to agree to do this. So we'll go to Profiles in the general settings, click this, and then install. Alright, I put in my password, and then we click install again. And voila, we now have Star Jedi Special Edition Regular in our system. Now I'm going to go back to iFont and do that for all the Star Jedi. So yeah, this will take a while. Alright, so we're back. I got 4 reference images. I don't know if I'm going to go with Mandalorian armor, since I'll probably go with something simpler like the Jedi robes and a lightsaber. We will see. But Baby Yoda must be here. Now, about that font that we've downloaded, now we can actually find it in our font list. And it should be under Star Jedi. Let's see. I may need to restart the app, so bear with me. Alright, so to basically reinstall and get all this stuff ready with the Star Jedi right here, you just have to close the app down, and to fully close it down, you have to swipe it from here, and so on and so forth. Now we have our Star Jedi. We didn't have to reboot the entire iPad or anything. So let's go back. We may want to go... Star Jedi Special Edition, or Star Jedi Hollow. I think we'll go with Star Jedi. May the 4th. And then we will make it much larger. Also, I don't know why there's that special line there. There we go. Alright. So we'll do something like this. May the 4th. And then at the bottom, I want to do 2 fingers. We have our selection tool. And then we can write be with you or something. Be with you. And then we can either line that up with everything else, we can make it smaller, we can make it bigger. We'll figure it out. For now, though, I think I like how it's looking. It's very balanced, like the Force. Okay, and then for the background, we could have something dark, since we're going to have a lot of lighter colors. And then we could have stars in the background. That might be cool. So, I was thinking of maybe a Tatooine sunset sort of thing. But for now, let us go back here. Make this a thing. Make it black. Like the souls of those who don't love Baby Yoda. Okay, so that's looking more like a lightsaber. But I wish the tip was glowier. So what we may want to do, if that's not working exactly as we want, is to duplicate that. And then we get rid of that effect, and we just try to make it ourselves. And then we can change this to make it more metallic with the gradient fill. We're going to add some dots here and there. This one, we want to shift towards blue because of that color. You know what? I'm just going to sample that color. And then we're going to shift it a little bit towards gray. There we go. So it has a little bit of that blue tinge to it. And then because it's close to a light source, we're going to make it brighter. Okay. Then metal is all about contrast. So we're going to push this up a little bit. And make it darker too. So we're going to do something like that. Not gray enough, methinks. There we go. I'll do something like this. And most of this is going to be covered by the hand, so it may not even matter in the end. What? We may want to switch the direction of this gradient. Make it look more like a cylinder that way. Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of looking a little bit more metallic. There you are, dear viewer. May the 4th be with you. I hope you've enjoyed this video, dear viewer. Maybe the text was helpful, the tricks with iFont, and getting that into your iPad, or other device. And I hope you have a great May the 4th. Leave a like if you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to see more art videos, comment below on what kind of Star Wars stuff you're looking forward to, and have a great day.